Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to part 2 of the FAB FIT FUN unboxing. I did get 2 boxes from FAB FIT FUN. I got the summer box, which is what I subscribed for to get, and I ended up picking up the editor's box as well. The editor's box video went up yesterday. Today is part 2 where I am unboxing the summer box. So let's just jump in. So this is the FAB FIT FUN summer box. I love the cute little floral of it all, and the dark background with the bright colors makes it stand out and pop. This is in support of the Wildlife Conservation Society. The editor's box was in support of Girl Rising. I think that that's really cool that they have a in support of on their boxes. I don't really know a whole lot about this subscription service. As I said, this is my first box from this subscription service, so hopefully the next time I will know a little bit more about it, or I can put like a little black screen in here with some of the information. But this box is a quarterly service, so you subscribe to it. It is $39.99 a box, and you're supposed to get upwards of $200 worth of product in each box for $40 4 times a year. So let's open it up. So when you open it, you open to a cute little motif inside, and this one says FAB FIT FUN Taste of Summer. I got a magazine like this in the last box, so this must be pretty normal, and it just has information inside of it. I'm really interested to read that. Okay, as with the last box, you get the FAB FIT FUN little card here, and on the back it has the referral code on it, and I will put the referral code in my description box right now, but this gets you $10 off of your first box. So this box is held together with the paper like the last box was. I like the cute little strawberry here. We're just going to rip the paper back, and we're going to see this all at once. Okay, let's jump in here. Okay, first thing I see is from Pier 1. I know that Pier 1 is pretty expensive. I never shop there because of how expensive it is. And most of the stuff there I don't really care to have either. I kind of knew this was coming. I saw some spoilers to it. I'm not really fond of these kind of things. They're just little dust collectors in my opinion. But it is a little trinket plate or ring plate from Pier 1, and it is marble-esque. I found the list of products and how much they cost. So the Pier 1 Imports marble ring dish was $14.99. It says, use this dish for a perfect catch-all for rings, keys, or loose change. Its timeless marble design and golden trim will glam up any part of your home. The Pier 1 box, the little dish in here was something that came in every single box, and again that was $14.99 retail value. The next thing I see in here is the Tarte's Pro Glow palettes. You know, I have gone back and forth so many times on whether I want to purchase this or not. I'm actually kind of excited it came in this box. You either got this or the Tarte's Pro To Go palettes and Sex Kitten liner, and I already have the Sex Kitten liner, so I opted for this guy in this box. And the eyeshadow palette that it is boasting looks a lot like the eyeshadow palette that we got in the editor's box. I didn't know I was getting the eyeshadow palette in the editor's box, but I do have a lot of Tarte eyeshadow palettes, and they all look very similar, so I didn't need another eyeshadow palette and another Sex Kitten liner, so I did opt for this box. This packaging feels kind of like NARS packaging. So this is it, and it's kind of got that like rubbery-esque feeling to it. And then, nice magnetic closure. And you open it up, and it's got all these shades in it. It's got some powder products and some cream products. It looks like this is a cream product down here, but the rest look like powder, and it's got lit and strobe and stunner and fire and shade and sculpt. So I have this color here, Stunner, in a liquid highlighting format, and I love it. So I like that this packaging has a mirror here and a mirror here, and that it closes like it trifolds. So very nice. I'm excited about that. This guy's retail price is $45. So already this costs more than the cost of this box. The next thing I see in here is a straw. It's a paper straw. It says this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. This box was in support of the Wildlife Conservation Society, and I'm sure that is why the little paper straw. I'm pretty certain that the little pamphlet that comes, the little like magazine that comes with this box, has the reasons for these things in here. But like I said, it's just a little paper straw, and it looks like it has turtles on it. Little sea turtles. I'm not sure, but this was in the box. The next thing in here is this Summer and Rose beach towel, which is perfect because we have a pool out there and it is pool season and beach season. So I'm gonna open this up if I can find the opening. There we go. So this is supposed to be sand proof or sand resistant, and it kind of doesn't feel like a towel. So it's definitely not like a terry material. It's kind of like a microfiber material. Let's open it up. I will be keeping this. I think I actually picked this. This is huge. Huge. Oh my gosh. This towel is giant, you guys. This is what it looks like. All over it. Smells kind of chemically though. That's weird. Okay, to be honest, I'm excited about this towel. This thing is huge. I wonder though if it shrinks in the wash and gets all wonky like some, I have a couple microfiber towels that every time I wash them, they misshape just a little bit more, and I wonder if this is going to do that. But I'm really super excited about this. Like I said, it is pool season. I have a pool, so I'm super excited to use this. That towel retails for $55. I would never spend $55 on a towel, but that towel alone is worth more than this box. I am using my artificial lighting, but the sun is starting to come through the windows. I always pick the most inopportune time in the afternoons to video. I'm so sorry about that. The towel either came in palms, which is what I got, or pineapples, which was really cute too. I like the palms one. I'm glad I got the palms one. The pineapple one is teal with pineapples and then blue and white palms all over it, like tree palms. So that one would have been cute too. Also, it looks like that towel, you either got the towel or a makeup like flexible train case from Yumi Kim. And the train case was worth $58 and the towel was worth $55. Next thing I have in here is something that also was coming in every box. It retails for $32, and it is the Coolest Sport Classic Sunscreen, and with an SPF of 50, which is awesome. So this is what it looks like. I love the little metallic lid on this guy. I've never had an item from Kula. Super excited to use it, but this is what 1.7 fluid ounces, and I will tell you this right now, I would never spend $32 on 1.5, almost 2 ounces of sunscreen. Why is this $32? That makes no sense to me. So it says apply this 15 minutes before going into the sun. Reapply after 80 minutes of swimming. Like, this is no different than a $5 sunscreen, so I would never purchase this for $32, but I'm glad to have it. I'm not complaining. This is really neat. So, and it says farm to face. I don't know what that means. Oh, it is TSA approved, which is great because I am going to Disneyland soon. So, and I am a pasty pale princess, so I will need a sunscreen down in California. This was another variant item. It is a Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymic Face Rejuvenator. It is an exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, and it looks like this. It is 2.12 ounces for this container here, and it was either this guy or some stretch bands or a little tiny wallet. This guy retails for $29. And it is an exfoliating cleanser. It's probably a lot like Dr. Brandt's exfoliating cleanser in there. It smells like nothing. It smells like nothing. I don't know if you guys can see it on my hand right here, but it is gritty like Dr. Brandt's stuff, so I'm sure it probably is the same as that. And this one is $29 versus the $58 Dr. Brandt's. So Dr. Brandt's is also like cooling almost. It has like this minty in it that feels real good on your face, but this guy is half the price. The next thing I got was also a choice item, and it was either this or a hair protectant spray, and I chose this one because I'm not like, my hair is like whatever. It is the LMS Papaya Enzyme Peel Advanced Skincare. I chose this. It is another exfoliator, but I chose this because I went on a cruise, and I went with my fiance, and I had a massage at the massage parlor on the cruise ship, and they gave me some LMS items to use on my skin, and they are amazing and expensive. So I chose this item because I have a history of use of this brand, and I loved it. Like I said, it is another exfoliator, so let's try it. Oh, it's sealed, so I'm not going to try it. And I can't smell anything on it yet. But this guy retails for $45, and it is 1.6 fluid ounces. Like I said, expensive. The next thing I got in here was also a choice item, and it was between this or a ring or a body caviar. And honestly, the body caviar looked interesting, but gross, and I don't know that I'd ever use it, so I chose this. It is Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, and this is actually pretty perfect for me because if you know me personally, you know that my shoulders turn into boulders. I am pretty OCD and anxiety ridden and tend to hold all of my stress in my shoulders and neck area, and man, it causes migraines, and it's just horrible, and I stress a lot because of, wanting to be perfect at everything, which nobody is. That is unrealistic, right? But I do it anyways. I can't help it. It's just part of who I am. But this is pretty perfect for me. I'm super excited to try this stuff. I'm going to have my man friend, my fiance, put some on me tonight. We were busy working in the yard all morning, which is why I'm not recording until the afternoon, which is why my lighting is shit. But this is a de-stress muscle gel, and it says apply generously and massage into overworked joints and muscles as often as necessary. So I can use this all the time. I plan on using it all the time. It kind of smells like patchouli. I've tried what is that called? The heat Bengay or Bengay-esque type stuff that kind of smell like overwhelmingly minty. This doesn't. It smells like patchouli, which I also don't think smells delicious, but Smells better than overpowering mint. So super excited about this, and that is why I chose it. The body caviar, like I said, looked really interesting. I was going to choose that, but it also looked like something I really don't think I would have ever used. Like when I sat down and thought about it, I was like, I can't see me ever massaging that onto my skin. It's black and looks like mud, which is probably great for your skin, but this will be great for my muscles. This guy retails for $39. So the next thing I have, every box got, and I'm super, it came in a little tiny little bag too, is this little Ferreo Luna Fofo. I am so excited about this. So you guys, if you don't know anything about Ferreo, it's supposed to be a game changer for your skincare routine, and I'm super excited to try it. This dude is $89. $89. Why would you spend $89 on something you can scrub your face with when you have your fingers? That's just kind of what I want to know. I wouldn't spend $89 on it, but I am so excited to use this on my skin, and so excited that I got it in a box that I paid $40 for. It looks like you can download an app and attach your skincare routine to an app on your phone, which is funny because I have the Oral-B Genius toothbrush, which also has an app, so I brush my teeth to an app as well. So now I'm going to be washing my face to an app as well. Weird. Weird. Everything is down on the internet these days. So I'm really excited to have this. This is like actually part of the whole overall, you know, want, will, and desire to get this box, if I'm being 100% honest, because it is an $89 skincare brush that I was never going to spend $89 on. So this is everything in my box. My random Coke can over here. I got some skincare items. I got the Ferreo, which I'm super excited to use. I got some stuff that I can give away as gifts. A nice towel, which I'm super excited for. Some muscle relaxing cream, which I'm also super excited for. My box's total value is $349 or $348.99, so I can't say I'm complaining about that. I hope that you guys enjoyed my unboxing of my FAB FIT FUN box. As I said, this is fairly new. This is a brand new subscription for me, so as I get more familiar with what's going on with it, I'll let you know, and maybe I'll put that down in the description box after I read these little pamphlets that come with the materials in these boxes. I will let you know what is going on with this subscription, how to get a hold of this subscription, how to get $10 off your first box if you're interested. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, that you're giving it a big thumbs up. I hope that you'll consider subscribing to my channel. If you did, it would warm my heart so very much, and I would love having you join my little close-knit YouTube family here. I really appreciate you guys coming and watching my video today. I know that you didn't have to, but you chose to, and that warms my heart so very much. Thank you guys again for joining me today, and until next time, bye guys.